If your Chrome downloads feel painfully slow, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase download speed on Chrome using a couple of simple settings that can make a real difference. We'll turn on parallel downloading, and we'll also clear out anything that may be slowing Chrome down in the background. This is a quick and easy fix, and it can help you get more out of your browser without installing anything extra. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to enable parallel downloading. Open Chrome and click in the address bar at the top. Type Chrome//flags and press Enter. This opens the Chrome Experiments page where you can access hidden features that can improve performance. Once the page loads, use the search box at the top and type parallel downloading. You should see the setting appear almost immediately. Now look at the drop-down menu next to it. By default, it will usually be set to default. Click that drop-down and change it to enabled. What this does is allow Chrome to split some downloads into smaller parts, which can help improve speed in certain situations. After you change it, you'll see a relaunch button appear at the bottom of the screen. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the change. Once Chrome opens again, that setting will be active. This is one of the easiest ways to potentially increase download speed in Chrome, especially if you download large files often. But we're not done yet. Next, let's make sure Chrome isn't using resources on things you don't even need. Go back into Chrome and type Chrome//extensions in the address bar, then press Enter. This takes you to your installed extensions. Take a moment to review everything you have installed. If you see add-ons you don't use anymore, or tools you installed a long time ago and forgot about, remove them. Extensions can use memory, background activity, and sometimes even network resources, which can slow down your browser overall. To remove one, just click Remove next to the extension you no longer need. The fewer unnecessary extensions you have running, the lighter Chrome can operate. That means more browser resources can go toward the task you actually care about, including downloads and general browsing performance. It's a small cleanup step, but it can make a noticeable difference over time. Now let's adjust. One more important setting. Open Chrome Settings, then go to System. In the System options, find the setting that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. If this is turned on, Chrome can keep running even after you close the window, which may use memory and background system resources. Toggle that setting off. This helps Chrome stay more efficient and reduces unnecessary background activity. If you're trying to get the best possible performance out of your browser, especially on a slower computer, this is definitely worth turning off. At this point, you've enabled parallel downloading, removed unused extensions, and stopped Chrome from running extra background apps. Those 3 steps are a great starting point if you want to increase download speed on Chrome and make the browser feel a bit lighter and faster overall. If you want to take it one step further, you can also make sure your internet connection is stable, pause other large downloads, and close any tabs you're not using while downloading big files. The less your system has to handle, the better Chrome can perform. So to recap, type Chrome//flags, enable parallel downloading, relaunch Chrome, remove any extensions you don't need from Chrome//extensions, and turn off background apps in Chrome system settings. These simple adjustments can help improve your browsing and download experience. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Chrome tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.